China EV Post reports that NIO is set to celebrate a significant milestone with its 500,000th mass-produced vehicle rolling off the line on May 9. The electric vehicle maker achieved 15,620 vehicle deliveries in April, pushing its cumulative total to 495,267 units. This achievement comes nearly 4 years after NIO's first vehicle, the ES8, was produced in May 2018. The company has seen rapid growth, with its 100,000th vehicle produced in April 2021, receiving congratulations from Tesla's CEO Elon Musk. NIO's journey continued with its 200,000th vehicle in April 2022, and its 300,000th in December 2022. The upcoming 500,000th vehicle milestone will be celebrated at a ceremony in Hefei, Anhui Province. During this event, NIO is expected to unveil details about its new sub-brand, Anvo, including its management team and the brand's philosophy, on May 9, with the official launch of Anvo scheduled for May 15. You are listening to Yuan News.